If you want to optimize sales in your law firm, you have to treat every new prospect to the good old FU. Hi, everybody. It's Allison Williams here, your law firm mentor. Law Firm Mentor is a business coaching service for solo and small law firm attorneys. We help you to grow your revenues, crush chaos in business, and make more money. So when I talk about the big FU, I am talking about follow-up. It is super important when you are creating a sales system in any business, but in particular in a law firm, that you follow up with your prospects. So often we get into that consultation, we spend all of our time and money getting people to go to our website, clicking on the message, refining the message so we get better leads. People call the office, we put them through an intake system, we actually engage them in wanting to come in. And then when they get here, we say, okay, now that we've had this wonderful sales conversation, here's the retainer agreement. Go ahead, think about it, get back to us. Not the way that we want to close, okay? We have a whole separate series of videos on how to actually sell. But once you have actually gotten someone to a not quite definitive yes, right? We don't want to say we got them to no yet because they haven't definitively told us no. You want to make sure that you're following up. So I'm going to give you 3 strategies today on how to do that effectively. So the first thing that you want to make sure you do is to not be the attorney who is following up or assign it to any other attorney in your office. I know we as attorneys think we're good at a lot of things. We are not good at follow-up. We are instinctually oriented to focus on what we're trained to do, which is lawyer. It is not sell. And almost invariably, if you are a busy attorney, when you are sitting and talking to a prospect, your energy is going to be thinking on some level, I don't want this person to say yes because that means more work for me. So you don't want to be the one involved. The second strategy is that you want to make sure that you schedule your follow-up. Whether it's through your CRM or your task management system, through Outlook or G Suite or any other technology, you want to have a consistent schedule of following up with people until you get to a definitive yes or a definitive no. The last thing you want to do is leave it to your memory or your Post-it notes or a trigger that someone called the office to say, oh crap, yeah, I got to follow up with that person. You want it on a schedule. And the third and final thing I want you to remember is that the most powerful way to follow up with someone is to reference what you discussed in the consultation. Now, this means you have to take powerful notes and you have to talk about not just what happened, why they need legal representation, but also what is driving their decision. What is their urgency? If you get that urgency point, then when you call them to follow up, you can actually reference that in your follow-up conversation to trigger their emotional response to buy the service. So I'm Allison Williams, as I said before, the law firm mentor. And if you need help with your follow-up system, it's important that you reach out and have a conversation with us. We actually have some resources. I'm going to put a link in the comments to this video for a training that we have just about follow-up trainings and follow-up systems in law firms. If you need help with this and actually implementing it in your law firm, you can always get on a call with us. I'm Allison Williams, your law firm mentor, everyone. Have a great day.